Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we'll talk about how to start trading cryptocurrency safely in 2025. With the growing popularity of crypto, it's important to know the basics while protecting yourself from risks. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refresh your approach, let's dive into some essential tips to get you started. Step 1. Understand the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that operates on blockchain technology. Popular coins like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, E8, are widely traded. Start by researching how crypto works and familiarize yourself with terms like wallets, exchanges, and blockchain. Knowledge is your first line of defense. Step 2. Choose a secure exchange. Pick a trusted and user-friendly crypto exchange to start trading. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are popular choices for beginners. Check for features like strong security measures, 2FA and encryption, low trading fees, a variety of coins available for trading. Sign up and complete the verification process to ensure your account is secure. Step 3. Set up a wallet. For better security, transfer your funds to a crypto wallet. There are two types: hot wallets, online wallets that are convenient for frequent trading; cold wallets, offline wallets like hardware devices for long-term storage. Cold wallets are safer as they're less vulnerable to hacks. Step 4. Start small and diversify. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are highly volatile and prices can change rapidly. Start with small amounts and consider diversifying across different cryptocurrencies to spread the risk. Step 5. Learn to analyze the market. Understand price charts and trends to make informed decisions. Use fundamental analysis. Study the project behind the coin, team, and market demand. Technical analysis. Look at price charts and use tools to predict future price movements. Platforms like TradingView offer tools for technical analysis. Step 6. Stay updated and secure. Crypto markets operate 24/7, so staying informed is key. Follow trusted news sources and avoid social media hype. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. Bonus tips. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your strategy. Be cautious of scams and never share your private keys or passwords. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. That's it for this beginner's guide to trading crypto safely in 2025. Start slow, stay informed, and always prioritize security. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. See you in the next one.